Hello, I have a tiny haul from Amazon, and yeah, and also Michael's. I picked up this Dilution Ranger stamp, and this one is Full Blown Circus DYR 76780, and I love everything that it says in these sentiments. It's so me. I'm running out of people I can't stand. I have neither the time or the crayons to explain it to you. Sorry, but I'm all out of sugarcoating. I'm not snarky, I'm selectively polite. Our family is just 1 cent away from a full-blown circus. I really have no method, just madness. Drama shield activate. To don't. My age doesn't bother me, it's the side effects. That's so true. The secret ingredient is resentment. I don't mind the heat, it's the kitchen I can't stand. I love that one. I like long walks away from people. That one is so me. I don't know, the older I'm getting, the less I want to be around people. So that was one of the stamps I picked up. And I love, I think her name is Dina Ravely. She has the same mental as me. And then I picked up these tags from Amazon. And I wanted them for like junk journaling. And they're pretty tough. And it already comes with a little string. And then it comes with the perforated little bottom there. So yeah, I have what, 500 in here. I bought, I think, or what, 200? I think it was 200. And so that is it for my Amazon haul. And next is my Michael's. So let me just, I'm gonna put it to the side here. So I picked up some more of the artistic wire, and I picked up two of these ones. And I should have picked up two of the one that I'm gonna show you now because it's so pretty. So that's the artistic wire 20. And this one, I know you could twist it yourself, but it's already twisted for you, and look how pretty that looks. And it's the 20 gauge artistic wire. So I think they are so pretty. A ring with that would be so pretty. Then I picked up these again, these plastic craft beads, and this one is the 6mm, and it's the plastic, is it hashi beads or hishi beads? I don't know. So I bought them in silver because I had picked up in gold, but I needed silver. Then I picked up these to make rings out of because they're flat in the back, as you can see. And this one is the glass beads from Bead Landing, and it's the dark blue, focus, dark blue silverite opaque glass 6mm. I picked up two of them, and I just love the colors that it brings out on these. Then I picked them up in this gray color, and it also has a fluorescent on it also, and it's also 6mm. Then I picked up these little earring holders. I was going to buy the one that has like 20 of them, I think for the same price as all of these that I bought. I only bought 5, and I think it brought 12 for the same price as these 5, but it was, everybody picked it up. So these are earring holders, as you can see. I put a pair of earrings that I made, and so that's cute. Oh, that's it. That's it for Michael's. Yep. So I do have another one of Michael's, but it's taking forever to get here. I think it's the ring holder. So I'll show you that when that comes in. And I also have a Heidi Swap monthly kit that's coming, and some Elizabeth Craft. I did pick up some of her Black Friday sale yesterday, so hopefully that will come in. And it was a lot that I picked up. So yep, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.